Are you wondering which video editing tool is better? Today, we're comparing Clipchamp and DaVinci Resolve to help you decide. Both Clipchamp and DaVinci Resolve are popular video editing tools. They can help you create stunning videos, but they cater to different users and needs. Let's start with Clipchamp. This tool is user friendly and designed for beginners. It works right in your browser, so you don't need to download anything. Clipchamp offers templates and easy drag and drop features. It's great for quick edits and social media videos. Now, let's look at DaVinci Resolve. This software is more advanced and is used by professionals. It offers powerful editing tools, color correction, and audio editing features. DaVinci Resolve is a desktop application, which means you need to install it on your computer. It can handle complex projects with ease. So, what are the main differences? Clipchamp is simple and quick, perfect for casual users. On the other hand, DaVinci Resolve is complex and offers a lot of depth, ideal for serious filmmakers. When it comes to features, Clipchamp has basic editing tools, stock footage, and text overlays. DaVinci Resolve provides advanced color grading, multi-user collaboration, and extensive effects. If you want more control over your edits, DaVinci Resolve is the way to go. In terms of pricing, Clipchamp offers a free version with limited features. You can also subscribe for more options. DaVinci Resolve has a free version too, but its full version comes with a one-time payment. In the end, if you are a beginner or need quick edits, choose Clipchamp. If you're serious about video editing and want advanced tools, go for DaVinci Resolve. If you found this comparison helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.